Myself, Anthony. I'm from RC Global School. I'm an art and design educator, and these are my students, Sadhana and Parishri. We have come here for this one-day workshop on the AI integration in teaching, and we also happen to meet faculties, and the facilitations were available in the DOT School of Design. And Mr. Venkat, he took us to all the facilitations. Right from the third floor, he took us to the museum where it is displayed all the varieties of departments, and we happened to see the workshop areas. Of course, they had an inside view of what's happening actually in DOT School, and I'm really happy to be part of this, and looking forward to more such events and workshops in our school as well. Thank you.
My sincere thanks to DOT School of Design. It is a wonderful opportunity for the school leaders to reshape the student community in amidst of this technology era. Whatever may be the technology, but one thing we have learned and we have felt was AI or whatever the technology grows, it just can be a fascination, but teachers alone, human alone can remain an inspiration. So how to develop the inspiration among children, to have an emotional touch with the children, so that the future generations for this Bharat will be more better. So this day was really kindling our thoughts to how the mind, body and the intellect are to be aligned properly, so that we can take the younger generations to the next step forward. Thank you, DOT School of Design, and I am sure that my school and my teachers will follow the same qualities and procedures and the methodologies what we learned today, and I ensure the implementation in my school. Thank you.
Very useful session. ஸோ இப்போ இருக்கிற டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு எப்படி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோடைய மாரல் வேல்யூஸ் பில்ட் பண்ணணுங்கிறத அழகாக சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ வீல் ட்ரை டு இன்கார்பரேட் ஆல் தீஸ் திங்ஸ் இன் ஆர் ஸ்கூல் ஆல்சோ. இட் வாஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் செஷன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் எவ்ரிதிங் அண்ட் தேங்க் யூ ஃபார் கிவிங் திஸ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி.
Hi, myself Haris, principal of Emmanuel Matriculation School, Pattabiram. I'm very grateful to be here because it was fascinating and very excellent session for the heads and the teachers as well as for the students. And even I like the ambience of the college, well equipped and good infrastructure, and we have a good management also. Thank you so much for calling us, and thanks for the invitation, and hope in future we may join again these kind of events. Thank you.